The ultimate guide to forklifts, types, uses, and tips. Hey everyone. Forklifts are heavy-duty machines that are used to lift and move materials over short distances. They have a set of forks that are attached to a pair of wheels at one end and a power source at the other. Their design allows them to stack goods to great heights with relative ease. But what are the different types of forklifts, and what are they used for? Let's take a look. Rough terrain forklift. As the name suggests, this forklift is designed to operate on rough terrain. It has large off-road tires and is often used in construction sites or other outdoor areas. Reach truck. A reach truck is a type of forklift that has a telescopic boom that allows it to reach high places. This makes it ideal for loading and unloading trucks or stacking materials to great heights. Sit-down forklift. A sit-down forklift is a type of forklift that allows the operator to sit down while operating the machine. This makes it ideal for long periods of operation as it reduces fatigue. Stand-up forklift. A stand-up forklift is a type of forklift that requires the operator to stand up while operating the machine. It is more maneuverable than a sit-down forklift, making it ideal for narrow aisles. Walkie rider forklift. A walkie rider forklift is a type of forklift that can be operated either while standing or walking. It is more maneuverable than a sit-down forklift and can be used in narrow aisles. However, it is more tiring to operate than a sit-down forklift. Cushion tire forklift. A cushion tire forklift is a type of forklift that has pneumatic tires that are made of foam or rubber. This makes it ideal for indoor use on smooth surfaces. Solid tire forklift. A solid tire forklift is a type of forklift that has solid tires. This makes it ideal for outdoor use on rough surfaces. Electric forklift. An electric forklift is a type of forklift that is powered by electricity. This makes it ideal for indoor use in areas where there is a lot of congestion as it produces no emissions. LP gas forklift. An LP gas forklift is a type of forklift that is powered by liquefied petroleum gas. This makes it ideal for outdoor use, as it does not produce any emissions. Diesel forklift. A diesel forklift is a type of forklift that is powered by diesel fuel. It is ideal for outdoor use on rough terrain. What are some tips for operating a forklift? Here are some tips for operating a forklift safely. Always inspect the forks before use to make sure they are in good condition. Never overload the forklift. Lift loads only when the load is centered on the forks. Keep loads low and the center of gravity low when traveling with a load. Travel at a slow and steady pace. Avoid sudden movements. Use the seatbelt at all times. Be aware of your surroundings at all times and use caution when backing up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like.